Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where we talk about Richard Hart, the Bitcoin bear case. He is predicting Bitcoin to come back down to 10K, not tomorrow, not next month, maybe a year from now. He's saying there will be lower lows and lower highs on Bitcoin going forward. Now, I have a different opinion, and it really depends on what the chart does. And depending on what the chart does, my opinion will change. So let's jump in on that. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is simply for education and entertainment purposes only. Take a look at the disclaimer below. It would be appreciated. So let's jump into the chart, shall we? And let's take a look. We drew these lines. If you take a look at part 2, we drew these lines here that are staying on the chart. And basically, the same thing is happening here. So we're not, like I've been talking about, what we will most likely see is Bitcoin just chop formation here in this kind of ascending triangle, and it needs to do this to build the energy to break higher if it's going higher. Now, if you watched Richard Hart's stream recently, he's saying that I see what he's saying now. This is a fractal of what happened, in this top here. So you had a run, a correction, and then you had this, elongated top that lasted several months, and then the dip started. And you're seeing this same pattern here, just at a smaller scale. You had the run up, you had the dip, and then you had the continuation. And now we're seeing this going to play out, and we'll see. And I talked about this in my previous video. If we trade below, retest, and then make a new low, that is bad for the bulls. And I'm going to be on the side of Richard here on the Bitcoin bear case. Right now, I'm still bull. As long as we stay above this line here, that is basically my line in the sand. As long as we trade above here, we build energy. If we can break above 50,000, that will, you'll see some buying here. Retest the 58,000, or what is this, 57,000 mark, and then ultimately the 64,000 mark. And we will really be bullish 100%, we need to break through new highs, test that, and then take off again to 100,000+. Will we do it? We don't know. We have to watch the chart on a daily basis, but this is what we need to focus on. Right now, we are at the teeter-totter point. Will we just stay in this ascending triangle and break out, or will it fail? Here, we're going to continue lower, fail, and then make a new low, and then that's really bad news for the bull. That's my case. Follow my channel, comment below, to stay updated on Bitcoin, on trading, and education, all that good stuff. I have a Patreon if you want to get more entertainment, and join me on a live call. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.